What's up, YouTube? I'm John Wheels, and today we're going to be resuming part 2 of replacing this head gasket. We'll also be adding 18-pound valve springs, a performance air filter, and header pipe.
Alright, so we got our new spark plug, our 18-pound springs, and our 4 new head bolts, and our performance head gasket. Sorry if that's hard to see. So now I'm going to put it on and torque it down to 17 foot-pounds. Alright, so first we're going to take some of our motor oil, 10W30, and we're going to just lubricate all the stuff that we're going to put in. If you've done any work to the head, you want to make sure that you use some brake clean or some carb clean and just get all the debris out of the head. So first we're gonna take our motor oil and we're gonna put it in a little bit into a cup. Okay, so I got this water bottle and I cut off the bottom. We're just gonna pour a little bit of oil into there so that we can lubricate stuff as we assemble. So first we're gonna take our valves, just get a little bit of oil, lubricate the outside, like the sleeve where it slides up and down. Now we can go under here and slide in our valves. So there's the exhaust. Let's do the same on the intake. Make sure it's nice and lubricated. You can just slide that right in there. The exhaust fell out. Whoops. I'll put this under it so you don't. It's fine. So now what we can do is let's get the camera so we're gonna see. Alright, so here's the end of the valve right here. Now we're gonna take our new 18-pound valve spring, put it on there, and we're gonna want to have something keeping your valve in place on the other side, so that's up all the way. Just gonna use this little spark plug box with the spark plug in it, and now you press down and slide it into place. Then you can take your lash cap and pop it on there, and you can just do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we're gonna install our rockers. Since we have the performance head gasket, that means we're gonna need to set our valve lash later. So we're gonna take our rocker and we're gonna take our pin. You want to lubricate your pin, so just get some oil on there. Use like your finger and stuff, because this is rocking back and forth. Then you can slide your rocker on and through right here, and now it should easily go back and forth like this. Now you're gonna have a little clip. You can put that onto the rocker pin and take a flathead screwdriver and just press down until it clicks in. And now it should easily go like this. We can do the same on the other side. Alright, we got both sides in. Remember your lash caps. We can go and put this on the motor. If you never unhooked your fuel and gas tank, which I didn't, I just slid the carburetor straight off of the head, you want to go ahead and put on your gasket. And now we can put it onto our engine with sliding it onto the carburetor onto the head. I'm going 4 foot-pounds at a time until I get to 12. Alright, now we can install our push rod. Alright, I set the valve lash with my feeler gauge. So according to Redbeard's Garage, you got to put the intake at 7 thousandths whenever it's cold, and the exhaust at 9 thousandths whenever it's cold. His video doesn't say that, but he left a comment that says he messed up, and so the intake calls for 6 and the exhaust calls for 8, so that means I did 7 and 9. Alright, so we have our valve cover here. I painted it blue to match the air filter. Normally this will just be silver, like the color of the OHV. But we're going to take our RTV gasket maker and make a little gasket for the valve cover. So let's open this up and we'll put it on the head and not the cover. Alright, so now it is all worked out. I just got off the phone from Taylor from Ghost Power Sports. I want to thank him if he ever does watch this video. Redbeard's Garage said to set the valve lash really high, and that was making it real hard to start it. I set the valve lash to 3 for both the intake and exhaust. Now I gotta clean up.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. The go-kart is a lot faster now and so much more fun to drive.